Alright everyone, so in this video I'm going to focus upon two things. So one is a graphical processing unit, and because of which only this whole machine learning field got re-established, I would say, and because of which our training time of any machine learning model building came down from 100x time. So from earlier you used to take weeks of time, nowadays it just took hours of time. So you can run all your code with graphical processing unit, a GPU, directly inside the Colab environment, and you do not need to require any extra kinds of efforts. You do not require any extra installation step, and that is what the beauty of Google Colab. With just one single click, you can just switch your code from running on a CPU to the GPU. That is the one thing I want to discuss, and there will be one more other thing I want to discuss, like a pro version of Google Colab. So first let's just focus upon a GPU, graphical processing unit. Before that, I just want to show you one single line of code with this TensorFlow, which will give us the information that along with our Google Colab environment, which GPU version or which GPU hardware is currently associated. So that will be a part of this TensorFlow library. And you can see I am just writing two lines of code. First, I have just imported this TensorFlow as a TF, and the next one will be I am just testing what is the GPU device name available. So if I just execute it, you can see we got blank. That means there is no GPU currently associated. So in that case, what we can do, there is a free GPU Google is providing. So thanks to Google, actually, from all those data scientists and machine learning people. So from runtime, you can go to change runtime type. Now earlier it used to be, there are two options. So don't get confused. One is a Python runtime. So by default it's running on a Python. So might be Google has already removed that option and it's already running on a Python 3 version. And most of the people in even industry level also got shifted. So there is no requirement of, there is I guess the another option, but there is one more option like a hardware accelerator. So here there are three options are available: none, GPU and TPU. So none here by default means your code is going to run on a CPU. You can select the GPU and there will be one more like a TPU. So that is a highly specific for the TensorFlow library fundamental data structure tensor. So if you are dealing with a very high computational stuff, and if your code, let's say, are dealing with those tensor objects, you can use this tensor processing unit. So that is even more specialized hardware Google has created in their cloud environment. Let's just focus upon GPU, and it's a completely free. You do not need to pay anything. Let me just save it. The moment you save, it will reallocate everything. It will reallocate connecting, initializing, and completely all those hardware resources it will reallocate for you. Now I'm going to execute this particular piece of code once again. Let me run it. Yes, so we got GPU 0. That means there are some GPU is already connected. So you do not need to worry much into detail about it. For you, it's just free, so you do not need to worry about it. But with this GPU version, with this free version of Google Colab, there are some limitations. So Google is also providing the pro version of this Google Colab. But I just want to warn you that I guess this Google Colab Pro version is only available for the United States only. So let me go to another tab. I am just searching for Google Colab Pro and how it is different from our free version. So just search for Google Pro, or I would say Colab Pro. So they are charging, if you want to upgrade, $9.99 monthly, and it's recurring. So I guess that is not a very big amount of money, but because of this just $9.99, there are a hell lot of benefits they are going to give it. So first of all, it has a faster GPU. So compared to our free version, you can see you will get T4 or a P100 GPU, but in our free version, we have just the K80s are available. So definitely you will have a faster GPU in this Pro version. So definitely it's worth it. There'll be one more thing like a longer runtime. So I guess in a FAQs they have given everything like how long your notebook can run in a Google Colab Pro. So in a free version, it used to be running for maximum 12 hours you can execute your code, whereas in case of Pro, you can go up to even a 24 hours. So your code can run till up to 24 hours of training, because mostly for such a long running process, most of the time you are going to build this machine learning or even a very high computational model building only. We have one more big advantage, like a more memory. So if we just, let's say, compare with our, I guess they haven't provided any specific numbers related to how much RAM or memory they are providing for the Pro version, but they have written like I guess when you go from free to Pro version, you will almost get double the memory of the standard Colab environment. So in, I think, free version, we'll be able to see what is the, yes, I have already 2 active session. Yeah, I don't know actually about that. That's okay. But you can see, I don't think there is a total memory which is they have written here. But sometimes it used to show like this, that how many RAMs are currently allocated to individual Google Colab environment. But let's say if you are already allocated to 10 GBs of RAM, in the Pro version you will get a 20 gigs of RAM. So that's definitely advantage. And there are many other advantages are also available. But I personally speaking, I haven't used it because I do not need it for time being. So I haven't used it. And I guess somewhere I have read that that is only available for United States only. But it's definitely worth it. Yeah, they have written here, the Colab Pro is only available in US. Alright, so that is all about Google GPU, Google Colab GPU, how you can change the CPU to GPU, and you can even go for the TPU also, Tensor Processing Unit also. And what is the Colab Pro version, that what are the benefits you will get if you are running with a very high computational model, how you can switch from your free version to the Pro version by just giving $9.99 monthly. Alright, so that is all about this video. See you into next video. We'll see some more stuff related to Google Colab. Till that time, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel.